My God. Guys, paano ko ba ito masuot, guys? Oh my God. OMG. Guys, look. OMG. Guys, guys. Guys, look. Gaano kaganda siya, guys. Ayan, abangan nyo yung aking pagpipit nito, guys. Oh my God. OMG. Mapapa-OMG naman talaga ako nito, guys. Ayan, iba pala siya sa picture, guys. Oh my God, ang ganda niya. I really love it. Ayan, sa color red pa lang tayo. Look, guys, I wanna show you this. A new bikini, guys. Ayan, I wanna fit this. Ayan. The violet color. Let's go. And so this is it, guys. Ayan, the violet color. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys, yung kanyang likuran. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan po. I love it. And so this is it, guys, the violet color. And guys, I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya, guys. Ayan yung ating violet color. Ayan. Guys, ayan na. Ayan yung ating violet color. I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys. Love it. I really love it.
Oh no!
Guys, I want to show you my
Wow.
bikinis. And guys, the color. I really love it. And guys, pack na pack yan siya, guys. 3 pieces to siya, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ang next natin is color black siya, guys. Ayan, oh. I really love it. Pack na pack yan. I love it. The black one, guys. Look. So very nice. I really love it. Pack. Ayan yung ating likod. So guys, medyo nag-shake yung ating likod, guys. Ayan, konting exercise na lang. Ayan po, I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack yan.
Oh
I love
no!
it. The next, guys, is color blue. Look, guys, the color blue. I really love it. Ayan, guys. Pack na pack yan. Pack na talaga po, guys. Ayan. Pack na pack. Guys, for only 240 pesos. Ayan, I really love it. So, this is my bikini.